Hello guys, welcome to Unreal Engine tutorial. Today we are learn how to export a character, dash character properly in our Unreal Engine, and you can see we can use the morph target, uh, and you can select any kind of morph target and use your character, dash character for your Unreal Engine project. Let's begin. So first of all, we are exporting a character to our Unreal Engine project. In previous video, you will learn how to use Dash to Unreal Engine Bridge. If you miss it, please go to my YouTube channel and check the video first. And today we will learn how to make usable the Dash character for our Unreal Engine project. Okay, so here we are going to our Dash 3D, and here we are create a character called CST ADA for Genesis 9. We are exporting this character to our Unreal Engine model, Unreal Engine project. So for this, we are selecting the character here and go to the file, go to send to, select Dash to Unreal Engine. First, we need to rename the character, rename it Ada, and it's a skeleton mesh. So we are just select the skeleton mesh. If you want to export a static mesh, animation, environment, pose, deformer, you can select that function too. Today we are exporting skeleton mesh. For the animation we are discussing other class. Okay, so we select skeleton mesh, and most important thing is export morph, because for the facial expression we need the morph, and other stuff we need also morph. So how can you select morph? That let you show. Take through the exported morph and go to the choose morph. You can see I am select some morph here. If you want your some morph, like I'm adding here of 45 AU45 blink, it means I blink, and lots of like expression, hopeful, hated. If you want some morph, you can go just select your character here, and like I'm adding now a morph here like fear, and also I'm adding the trust, and just select these two things, and I just add for export. You can see for the morph to export option, these two things are now selected. So I just accept these things, and now for the bake the subdivision level, if you using a powerful PC, you can use it. I'm not using here now. And also another thing be noticeable, if you exported a Genesis 8 character, please take through this function fix to is born. For Genesis 9 this doesn't need, and others option we keep its default, and we are just now pressing accept. Before accepting, you make sure your project is running background. So I just press accept here. Our process will begin now, and also keep these things to default. Just accept it. It will take some time. Let's see is export correctly or not. You can see here our morph target is also exported here, and there is a error. Let's try again. First of all, go to edit project setting. Make sure something in project setting, we need to go to plugins here, and there is an option called dash to Unreal Engine settings. Make sure these two things are selected and other things is disabled. This is most important things. And sometimes your dash 3D character 3D apps will be crashing. You just try. Okay, so we are load our character again, and here if you face this kind of crashing problem, you just go to file, send to dash, and rename it again. Just rename it to Ada and select the same skeleton mesh, choose mesh we already selected. And here the problem is I am using this folder for my other project. So this folder is sometimes if you use same folder to different project, this problem will happen. So we just change the folder here. I'm just make a new folder here and select this folder, and now I'm press accept. Now let's see it's work or not. Uh, so another time we face the same problem. So we just open our character again. Okay, we'll load our character again and delete the hair of this character, because sometimes the if the hair subdivision level is too big and resolution is more than our configuration is handle, you need to change the hair. Sometimes if you face this kind of problem, you need to just change the hair. So we are just change this hair to this hair. You can see we are just changing the character here, and now we are try again. So we are just go to file, send to dash to Unreal, rename it Ada, make the same things, and just press accept here. Okay, now you can see our problem is solved. We are successfully um, export the character to our Unreal Engine. Let's head back to our Unreal Engine project. Okay, our Unreal Engine project is open now. You can see. So this is the um, common issue for exporting dash character to a Unreal Engine project. If you face this kind of problem, you can solve this by doing these things that I do in this video. So here, think this is the first character of our dash to Unreal. I'm just make don't give any reference here. We just import all, and now we can see our character is imported in the Unreal Engine. Let's see the morph target is working properly or not. Okay, now you can see our character is exported imported correctly in our Unreal Engine. You can see here is our character, and there is some issue to the dress. And go to your dash and just make fit properly to this dress, and just change the dress like we changing the hair. And you can see our character is fully export with right view. And if we now check the morph target here, you can see it's worked correctly, and the morph target is working properly. Here you can see all the morph target like hated, and you can see it's so good. You can use this to your animation. So in this class, we know the issue to exporting the character. When you export a character dash to Unreal, you face this kind of issue, and solve this. How to solve this, we can learn in this class, and it is too easy. You can see. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like or comments, and like, share, subscribe. Thank you very much.